The time for $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to my channel right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right there, starting with GainX 1200. So this is GainX 1200. We are on 15-minute time frame, and of course, let's check this out, guys. So this had been on downtrend, but got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it tried to pull back a bit. And if you notice, this is really having a major pullback for a while. The trend actually, the downtrend started from here. Whenever it gets to a stop loss, I mean to a support zone, it will give us a major pullback. Then it will later on go back there and break out below the support zone. Okay, so this time around it got to another one, have a major pullback, and of course right now it's selling right now. And of course, if it gets to this region, it is most likely for it to break out below it. But for now, this is still selling, guys. This is still selling until it is unable to break out from there. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out. Okay, guys, this is GainX 999, and of course, this started a downtrend right from here, and we can see that it has been selling since then, and it is still selling, even though it is at the support region. Okay, if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will switch the direction of the trend into an uptrend and start buying. But for now, it is still selling. The next asset is going to be PainX 1200. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is PainX 1200, and this has been on uptrend right from this support zone. I actually dropped this signal in the Telegram channel. I didn't even know that it has gone so far. Okay, we didn't enter right from the beginning because of this ranging area, so we had to wait for it to get to our entry point at this point, and we set a stop loss for it right here, and we had some TPs highlighted for us, so you can see it's activated our entry point, gave us achieved the first TP, second TP, third TP, guys. That's so amazing. So right now it's heading towards the fourth TP. So I'm really happy we are able to achieve this. So congratulations to everyone that actually participated in this. So this is still buying at the moment. So for those of you who saw this signal in the Telegram channel, congratulations to you all. But if you see it and you didn't um take any action, I'm sorry about that. You just decided to throw the money away. Okay, so that's just it. So this is PayNext 999, and this has been on downtrend right from the resistance zone after giving us the downtrend signal, and it has been selling since then. So it has gotten to this support zone. If it breaks out below the support zone, then it will keep on selling. But if it does not, it should switch into an uptrend. I'm actually expecting to switch into an uptrend because of the vibe we are seeing right here. Okay, it's trying to give us a kind of W vibes, and of course a double bottom, and of course, so I'm expecting it to sell. To change into an uptrend and buy till it get to this region. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out below this support zone. So we should take note of that. Okay. Okay, guys, the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. So this is FX volume 80. This had not been giving us a direct movement. It would buy for a while, sell again, buy, sell, buy, kind of zigzag movement. Okay, so it has gotten to this region again, and of course it's trying to sell. So this is still selling at the moment, and once it is done with the sell, then it will go back into an uptrend again and buy. Okay, I'm expecting it to get to this region before buying. Okay, so that is it. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from there and it switch back into an uptrend. Sorry, it is still selling right now. So, guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.